how to build an online business in 2023. Welcome back, Eman here, and we are heading to a meeting right now. But I wanted to use the time to share this content with you as fast as possible. What I want to mention at this point is that it's not going to be a Larifari quick fix get rich guide kind of video where I tell you, okay, do this and do that and you will earn 10,000 euros a month. No, I want to start at the foundation. I want to take it one step at a time. And there are going to be multiple videos, so you can be sure you don't miss out on anything. So let's get started right away. The solid foundation begins with, what are you passionate about? What do you really love? Because building an online business is hard work. There are no excuses for that. All those people that tell you it's easy and you just have to invest like 30 minutes a day, no, it's not that. And I know that because I've been helping people that were, I don't want to say frustrated, I'm not sure if that is the right word, but they couldn't find the right person to help them.
I was searching a lot to find someone to help me, or going to, I don't know, so many companies to do that, to help me to get this done, but they couldn't help me. And I confront Eman on my path, and he helped a lot for extending my online shop here and extending my business here, and I'm so thankful to have him as my business mentor.
And why is that the case? Because people usually try to explain you how to build a successful business in a 5 or 10 minute YouTube video. It's not that easy, because if it was, everybody would be super successful and driving a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, or whatever you would buy with money if you have it. So the solid foundation is basically take your passion and turn it into a business. I get it if you're like, okay, I like playing guitar. So what business can I make out of playing guitar or jogging or going to the gym? Online mentoring. You can teach other people how to play guitar and earn very good money with that. You like going to the gym. You become a personal trainer, or you make online courses on how to get fitter, on how to improve your condition, whatever it might be. And let's take another example. Let's say you don't like online business. You're really into cars. You can start selling cars, and you can make a lot of money with that. If you're into food and you like the gastronomy scene, you can make your own restaurant. You can start small, of course, but all this is possible, and this is what we often forget in this world nowadays, where everything is possible. We got 100 possibilities online, and then we see this one thing work for a specific person, and then we're like, okay, this is the perfect thing. He made 100K a month very quickly. This has to be the best option. And then you do that, but you don't really like it, and then you give up because you're not making that money. Why? Because the passion is missing. You're not putting 100%, 110% in. No, you're just trying to copy what he did. Come up with your own ideas and then turn your passion into a business, because then the so-called hard work is not hard work anymore. It is fun. You will enjoy building your business. You will enjoy seeing your first successes. And this is one of the greatest things I've ever experienced myself. Getting my first clients. I was a dating and personal development mentor for a while. Now I do more personal development and business. But it's great. You see the results. I'm waking up. I'm happy. I'm happy to start the day, to help people, to share this content with you. And at this point, I also want to say thank you very much for the comments. Let me know what you think about this video. And in the next part, we're going to talk about how to specifically turn that passion into a business. I'm going to give you examples. I'm going to tell you in detail, step by step, how you can do that, because that was exactly what I did. With all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you do like the content, please do consider hitting the subscribe button, smashing the thumbs up button and clicking on that bell symbol so you get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. It would help out the channel a great deal, and see you soon.